Good morning, class 3. In the last class, we have studied till selecting and deselecting of icons in the chapter number 3. That is, it was all about GUI, graphical user interface. Now today, we will start with the sorting of the icons. This is the video showing practically what is written in the book. So you need to read the book first to understand what we are doing here. Okay, now for sorting, what you will do, this is the mouse pointer. We will right click on the mouse button, and then you can see this is the pop-up menu or the context menu, and here there is icon of sort by. So what all four options available here? Name, size, item type, and date on which the file was modified. So according to these, you can sort your icons according to name, according to what size they are of, what is their item type, and the date modified. There is one more option for arranging the icons, which you can see here. It is available in the view option, that is auto arrange icons. Can you see, children, here? Auto arrange icons means your icons will be arranged automatically. So this way you can sort the icons. Now how to hide all these icons? You want to hide all these icons? Again you will right click on the blank area. Okay. Now you can see this view menu. In the view menu, here there is an option of show desktop icons. What you will do, right now it is checked. You will uncheck it. And can you see all the icons have disappeared? Okay. If you want to see again the icons, unhide the icons, what you will do? You will again right click. You will go to view. You will do checking of this option, that is show desktop icons, and all the icons will come. Understand? Pretty interesting now. So try this option. Now I'm going to show you the different elements of taskbar. See this taskbar. We all know that this is taskbar at the bottom of the window. Okay. This is the start button. When you will take your mouse pointer, it will show that it is start button, and then this is quick launch buttons, quick launch bar, from where you can just open the application, quickly open the application. Okay, see, immediately a window document is appearing. So this is quick launch bar. We don't have to go to start button to open the programs if they are there on the quick launch bar. Then this is system tray. System tray will show you today's time and date, and all these icons are there. Then this is show desktop button. What is the function of this? If many applications are opened and you just want to close all at once, and you want to see the desktop, so you can use this button. Let me show you how. Suppose we have opened all these applications. This is opened here, then one more application, this is opened here. Okay, I'm just taking this here, and one more application here. So randomly I have opened so many applications. Now I don't want all these applications here. Okay, I just want to see the desktop. So what I will do, I will go on this button, show desktop button, and I will click. See, all the window applications are closed, but they are not closed completely. They are there in this bar, quick launch bar. So you can see all the applications are here, and from here we can open the application. Understand what is the function of show desktop button? Okay, now next is search button in the start menu. See, here you can search the files or the folders. You have to write the name and your file will be searched from here. Okay, and this is help and support. From here you can get help and support. Here you can type the help menu related to it, and here you can get the help. Okay, because you are quite small, so you will not need this, but you need to know where these various options are located. One more thing is there, that is change the placing of the taskbar. This is taskbar. If we don't want it to be in the bottom, we want it here. Okay, this side. So what we will do? We will go to the taskbar. We will right click on it. You will see that there is an option of lock the taskbar. You will uncheck it, and then you will take this taskbar here. See, can you see this taskbar has shifted here? From here to it has shifted there. Okay, or you can take it here also. Okay, now it has shifted from here to there, and again we can take back to its original position, that is here. So now taskbar is here, and for locking it again, what we can do? We can right click on it. This option will appear. We will click on this and it will get locked. Okay children, this was all about today's class. Thank you.